Yo everyone! Today we're taking a first look at the vehicle that finally fills the massive gap between the Mustang Dark Horse and the supercar level Mustang GTD, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC. While Ford isn't calling it a Shelby, this is essentially a Shelby GT500 in everything but name. Under the hood, you won't find the standard 5.0-liter Coyote. Instead, it's packing a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 with an Eaton TVS 2650 supercharger. While official power figures aren't out yet, expect it to land somewhere between the old GT500's 760 horsepower and the GTD's 815. All that torque is sent to the ground through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and a carbon fiber driveshaft. The SC stands for supercharged, but this car is built for more than just straight-line speed. Ford refers to it specifically as a sports car, not a muscle car. The team focused heavily on aerodynamics and track endurance, developing a massive carbon fiber rear wing that works with a unique duckbill spoiler. Together, they generate 620 pounds of downforce at 180 miles per hour, with the duckbill alone improving wing efficiency by 10%. Cooling is the name of the game here. The center grille is 60% larger than the standard Dark Horse, and the outboard grilles have doubled in size. Up top, the aluminum hood features a massive carbon fiber extractor. If you remove the rain tray for a track day, you get 5 times the airflow and 2.5 times the downforce compared to a standard Dark Horse. If you opt for the track pack, things get even more serious. You get carbon fiber wheels and Brembo carbon ceramic brakes straight from the GTD program. This package cuts 150 pounds of weight by reducing unsprung mass and ditching the rear seats. You'll also be riding on specially developed Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Inside, the racing pedigree continues with a suede-wrapped steering wheel borrowed from the GTD and optional Recaro seats featuring a unique checkered flag pattern. For the launch year, a special edition adds 3D printed titanium shift paddles and a gear selector knob. To help you manage all that power, there's a 5-mode variable traction control system also pulled from the GTD. The 2026 Mustang Dark Horse SC goes on sale this March, with deliveries starting in summer 2026.